In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Radworks token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So definitely check that out. Once you have done that, log into your account here on coinbase.com and we will go to the search bar right on top. There we will type in Radworks. And as you can see, we have the Radworks token over here. So select it. Once you have done that, you will enter the token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here. You can select different time frames to see what price actions are going on at the moment and before. And also some information about this token project. You can read through it, as you can see. You also have the official website linked in here. And also some stats about this coin, like the market cap, circulation supply, all-time highs. You can find everything on this page. So once you have checked that, you can go to the trading option because we want to buy this coin. And now you need to decide how much euros you would like to spend on this order. Let's say we would like to spend 1000 euros. It is a lot, but I think it's promising, this token. And once you have decided to buy and enter the amount of money you would like to spend, you can select the order type over here. An order type is basically the type of order. A one-time order is a single order for the current market price, and a recurring buy is an automatic purchase on a daily, weekly or monthly base, and basically also at the same day, same time. So that is basically what the order types are. Once you have done that, you can check how much coins you will receive in return. And after that you need to select your payment method. Now, if your payment method is not in this list, you can add a new one by clicking on this button. Very easy. Once you have done that, select it and go back to the overview. Now here you can see if you have selected the right token. Now of course we are buying the Radworks token, so this is the right one. And after that you can review your order. So review your order. And after that, I will give you guys a very useful tip. If you are trading a lot on Coinbase, then you will pay transaction fees for every trade or order you place. And as you can see on this order already, it is 38 euros. So what we want to do is use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days and you won't pay any transaction fees on these orders or trades. So that will save yourself a lot of money. If you do this on a weekly or a monthly base, then you're already saving yourself some money by using the subscription. After these 7 days, it will be 25 euros a month, but still worth it if you do these kinds of trades. So definitely check that out. It will save yourself a lot of money. And once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!